My tire had a slow leak for a couple weeks, and I didn't know there was a nail. Because it was slow, I thought maybe there was just a little gap somewhere, but I followed the steps of just spraying with a spray can water with soap in it. And then with the soapy water on all over the tire, eventually I found where it's bubbling, and it's on this inside edge. There's a nail. So yeah, always look carefully. Once you find a nail, it's time to get it out. It wasn't easy for me. It actually took a lot longer than what's shown on the screen here. Anyway, but I got it out with pliers and just trying to pry it out with the tool I have. So I bought this tool from Canadian Tire. It's a $10 tire plug kit. So yeah, because it was a nail, I think putting a plug made sense. The nail was what's shown on the screen, pretty big, and the tip of the nail has worn off over time, I think just from the running against the road. It wasn't easy to push this tool in as well, so this tool is supposed to clean the hole and make it bigger, make it rounder for the plug later. But again, I'm just cutting out the part where I struggled to push it in. And once it's in, I prepared the plug. The kit from Canadian Tire came with 5 plugs. I only needed 1. The plug is a very sticky material, but it wasn't difficult to work it through the needle and the thread. So once that's done, I'm just pulling this tool in and out a couple times to clean that hole, and you can see it's scraping off some material from the inside surface of the hole. And trust me, you're gonna need to clean it very well and make the hole big enough. It was difficult to insert the plug even after I've cleaned the hole this many times, and you can see it's getting easier for me to insert and remove this tool. But yeah, it still wasn't easy to get the plug in. So I ended up just giving it multiple bursts, and each time trying to push it a little bit further. In the end, you want about 1 centimeter of the plug left on the outside, and I'm about halfway there. Okay, that's good. And then just pull it out in one single stroke straight. The instruction says no twisting. And last step is just to cut the excess off. So yeah, overall pretty easy, very cheap. It's not the best permanent solution. You might still have to replace the tire or get a patch or ask a professional to do this over, but works for now.